Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my garage. And I'm working on the '08 Jeep Compass again. Well, I'm having problems with my door switches, opening and closing the doors. So I went to Wilbert's the other day, and I picked me up a replacement. He's sitting right there. So to get the door knob off, you get T20 right here. You put a screw in here holding that. So I'm going to see what our scenario is in getting this undone. Alright, what we got here, somebody actually glued this back in, but when it's here, it's bolted in. We tore it all up and they were trying to pull it apart. No holders. Alright, so we got screws right here. I think holding this controller in. Maybe it pops out from this there. Okay, I'm still playing around. We'll see, but somebody really screwed this up. Taking it out. But again, it just pushes in. You don't have to pull this off, which I thought we had to do. So I'm gonna put that little panel, which I thought we had to do. And it's just got, there we go. Alright, so this is what we got. It's a little push-in pins, and they lock in right here. So that's how you take that apart. You don't have to pull the whole door off. Door panel off, which I thought we had to. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put you back. Alright, you're back. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this whole part swapped out. Alright, next, pull your three harnesses. In fact, I think what I'm gonna do is plug those in real quick. See if my doors open and close like they should. Alright, and put it on the stand so I can freaking work here. Anyway. Oops. I pulled too many plugs. There's only two. That's the window one. I only got two plugs. Alright, see, when I took it off the other one, I went and did the same thing. Made sure I got the harness. Just in case I have to freaking splice it in for some reason. Come on. It's freaking freezing out here as usual. Freaking 32 degrees. Or 28. I mean, it's probably colder in here than it is outside. Oh. That one. This one. Got the little tab right here. Push it in, and it releases somewhat. Ow! Man, nothing I do. Looks like it pushes down in. Pushes. Comes from the inside out. Lines up, plugs in. See if I get any power. Ooh, look. Ha ha. All right. Beautiful. Yeah. Good to go there. I'm just gonna get the going out. Going out. Yep. Like I said, I was having problems with the whole reason for this is because the switch was weak. It wasn't letting it release. So let's see. Come on. That definitely solved that problem. And now getting it out. Come on. Get the other one out of the way for a minute. Okay, good. Oh, you need to break the pull off. Right. Oh, I got you. The plastic thing there. Ha! Yeah, quick. Get this off here first. For a second, I had it on full go. Now I can work. Now I can work on it. All right. These little plastic things that go right in this little thing here, and then it just drops down. You can work on it, but in this case, I'm not having that thing. I'm gonna have to glue these back in real quick. The handle back in, or the little door handle and stuff back in. So stay tuned. Okay, you got these little locks on the outside here that are grabbing. So that's that. Stay tuned. All right, now pull this panel here. You got to pull those 2 screws down below I showed you. Then you've got one right here, and then there's another one right in here that you'll have to pull. And I believe the whole door, this panel will lift up, come out. The thing is, I see a door window. I see a door window lift right here too. So that's what you got going on in there. If you got to pull that out, but if you're doing this, you just have to pull this little panel right here. Get you back in there, and then, like I said, that's all this problem was. So make sure, do that real quick. Yeah. Turn your windows on. Make sure your window controls are working. There you go. All right. Okay, so it looks like everything's working. All right, yeah, let's get this in. This just slides in. Slides in its little cradle here. And locks. Okay. Locked on the inside. There we go. Okay. Hey, there we are. Here's inner cradle here. Issue on this side here with this, like I said, they busted this out right back in there. That should hold, it's supposed to hold this whole lower section, because it will screw. This does have a screw. Screws in like so. So we'll keep that somewhat in place. I gotta get some silicone to glue that together. All right, what I did is I got some DAP multi-flexible alternate silicone. Put it around it. Let's see, glue it in place. We are. Alright. Let's back up here. And load it around the outside here. unfortunately. Don't have much keeping it in place, I don't think. A couple might be. Alright. Go there. Alright. Alright, and unfortunately, hold it in place here. The top. Let's go and move with that, huh? Okay. It's good there. And this is here. It's got to go down inside here. And that'll hold the rest of this together. Or hold it in. Hold the cup in place, but now that I got the sealing around the outside, that should do a good job sealing the rest of this. And now we can lock it. My passenger side door is not locking. So I've got something. I've probably got a magnet bad on that, but this was replacing. That's replacing this on here. So now I've got full control of that. Here, that was the replacing of the door control. The window lock and door control module. And of course, I forgot that I had glued that in there, and in the next evolution I got to change the control panel for the fans and the heating system, and I stuck my hand in that 2 times closing the door. Take a day or so to cure. 24. I think you get 24 hours. Alright, good enough. I'm going to touch it anymore. Alright, so if you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share, and catch you on the next Dana's Garage. And in this case is Project Compass.